Takot ako eh.
Okay, guys. Today, we're gonna pick
Oo, doon.
party ticket. We're gonna pick party ticket. Tito Arvic, Tito Mart, Boss, Tita Michelle, Sian, Mama Sally, Tita Abby, Carl, Sari, Daddy, Mommy, Tita, Quincy. So, we're gonna pick. I'm from Philippines. And it's so hot in Philippines now. I just even didn't know. I'm just talking English so you understand, because if I speak Tagalog, you will not understand it. Because that's our country, not yours. Okay. Okay. Ooh. So many comments. I'm gonna pick this one. Ooh. It's Savvy. Guys, look at this. It's Savvy. I picked Savvy. He comments so much. And all of this is all of my comments. Except this, Savvy, party ticket, except this. All of this is my party ticket. So, comment below, what should I pick next? Bye. Bye.